Do you want to add anything, like, you know, for people that have never meditated, for people that are so conditioned?
Yes, I want to show them something.
Yes.
I want to show them something simple that anyone can do. No? I want to show you a simple way to get back in harmony with yourself. Now, everybody feels the sense I am, just the feeling I am. You know of your existence, you know you exist, okay? So this feeling I exist, or the sense I am, when you say I, that's what it really refers to. So I would ask them, just spend 7 minutes or so. Just sit quietly for a little bit and just feel the sense of beingness, the sense of, just the sense I am, the sense is there. It's not, there's no story in it, there's no history. It's not important that you think of yourself as a man or a woman, or that you are a meditator. None of these things happen. Everyone can do it. So just a feeling of beingness. Once you are aware of how simple it is, just a feeling of being. Like if you had nothing to do, nothing to become, nothing to change, nothing to fix, nothing at all, just you're here. And no thought about what you're doing. That simple empty space, just be there. It's just a feeling that you know you exist. It's like a quality of presence. Just stay in that feeling of presence and don't allow it to connect up with any thought or intention or any form. Just keep it by itself. Leave it there. Now, some thoughts are going to come and some habits to go and to start to think about sending an email or something. But if they come, you're not to fight with them. Simply be aware of them, but just stay as a feeling I am. Feeling I am is just like a space that if you do anything in a space, it doesn't stay. If I draw a face in a space, it doesn't stay. So they just appear and they disappear. But you stay only as that space, just that awareness space. In the beginning, it might become very difficult, it might feel very difficult to do, but persist. Do 7 minutes, okay? And maybe even if it feels, wow, that was so tiring, because in the beginning it can feel tiring because you're trying to you're not trying to become something, you're trying to prevent somebody from taking your attention away, the mind. So you just stay like this, and you do it again when you want, and gradually you'll be able to stay even though thoughts and noise come and say, oh my God, there's even more noise than before is coming. But don't give up. And after a short time, you're going to discover something very, very beautiful. You're going to discover a silence in yourself, a peace, a sense of vastness. And you're going to become so happy, so happy. And just keep on staying in this space whenever you want. 7 minutes minimum. Just sit there like this. And you can do this before you go to bed in the night, but not when you're tired. Or in the morning, it's nice. When you get up, just sit for a few minutes and just clarify your mind. Just keep it clean. And then go about your business, what you want to do. Just do this and keep it going for like maybe a week or 2 weeks is good. And see what. And then you may write to me and tell me if your life has changed or not. This will be something that is not to do with any particular religion or nothing. No, anybody can do it. The atheist can do it, the believer can do it, the karma yogi can do it, the Gyan yogi can do it, bhakti yoga can do it, all of anybody. People don't know nothing about yoga, meditation, religion, nothing at all. They can do this. And it will bring you to the same place. It's the most beautiful self-discovery. Just that, just nothing. No special terms, no special, so impressive spiritual terminology. Just stay in the feeling of being. And when thoughts come to take your attention like that, just stay. Learn to ignore them. At first it's going to be very difficult. It's like the worst are going to come. They're going to create fears in the mind. But you only have to stay as that feeling. Then after your 7 minutes, you get up and you go about do your thing. And then if somebody wants to say something, maybe they write to you or something like this, look, and whatever, and tell you about this and what happened in their life. Because I think it will touch on all the things that we talked about today. It will touch on all those things. It will satisfy all those questions in them.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.